We're going to try this integral using substitution. Before we do, I'm going to move this quantity to the numerator using that rule for exponents. So that's going to be the antiderivative of 2x times the quantity x squared plus 5 to the negative fifth power. I forgot my direction of x. We'll let this be u. We'll have that u is x squared plus 5. And if that's so, then we'll say that du is double x dx. Okay, well, this looks like a pretty good matchup. We do have our u here. It is to the negative 5 power. And we also have the other pieces of du. So this is a perfect match. We've got the antiderivative of u to the negative 5 du. We're ready to go ahead and integrate. We add 1 to that power. Negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. Divide by that number and add a constant of integration. In the end, we could simplify. That's negative 1/4. And what u stood for was x squared plus 5. So that is x squared plus 5 to the negative 4th power. There is a negative 4 in the denominator. We said that that's the same as negative 1/4. And we'll move that base down to the denominator to make the power positive. And that's a wrap.